Hey, how would you like to take back control of your website visitors, drive more traffic, and boost sales, conversions, and engagement all in just a few clicks? You see, the number one problem with online business today is that 99% of website visitors will show up to your site, look around, and then leave without taking any action. Keeping them on your site and showing them relevant content is getting more and more difficult, and it's almost impossible to funnel your visitors to off-site affiliate offers or even to your own checkout pages. In short, these problems are plaguing every online business today, and if you don't find a way to fix them, they're going to take a huge toll on your engagement, your traffic control, and ultimately on your profits. But what if there was a tool that allowed you to take back that control, drive more traffic, and boost engagement and profit all on complete autopilot? Well, now there is. It's called ConversionGorilla, and it's revolutionizing the way people are leveraging traffic in their businesses. ConversionGorilla allows you to effortlessly grab the attention of your visitors with amazing, eye-popping message and traffic bars that you can customize and deploy in just a few clicks. Use traffic bars to drive blog readers to your best content or related posts. Or better yet, use them to drive prospects to your checkout pages or funnel traffic to an affiliate offer. You can use message bars to boost conversions further by offering coupons or discount codes, or even just display welcome or thank you messages. And if you really want to kick your conversion rates into high gear, ConversionGorilla even lets you leverage the awesome power of scarcity by adding evergreen or fixed date countdown timers. You can even strategically control exactly how and when they get triggered for maximum effect. Want to direct your readers to a related blog post right after they've scrolled to the bottom of another post? Easy. Want to skyrocket conversions by showing a call to action or a coupon code after someone's been on your sales page for 60 seconds? No problem. Or do you want to boost sales on your Shopify or other e-commerce store by having a limited time discount with a countdown timer show up as soon as prospects hit a specific product page? You can even have your bars triggered based on what URL or page your visitors just came from before arriving on a page. And get this, ConversionGorilla comes with exit intent technology, meaning you can have your bars appear at the very moment when visitors are about to leave your site. So you can save the sale with a coupon, direct them to a lead page with a free gift, or link to a survey page so you can get feedback on why they're leaving. Seriously, there's simply no end to the conversion boosting and engagement enhancing potential of ConversionGorilla. But believe it or not, we're still not finished yet. Creating bars is super easy for anyone, even if you have no creative or technical experience. Everything is completely customizable, so you can create endless variations of stunning, attention-grabbing bars. You've got complete control over the color, font, size of the bars, and many other visual aspects. And it's not just the look of the bars. You can even customize how they appear. Would you like your bar at the top or the bottom of the page? Do you want it to push your web page content down and then remain fixed at the top of the page? Or would you prefer it to hover over the top of your website content and float in place as you scroll down the page? It's totally up to you. Once you've got your bars installed on your page, which only takes a few seconds, you can then edit them in real time right from your ConversionGorilla dashboard. And speaking of your dashboard, you can exercise complete control of all your bars, monitor stats, compare performance, clone existing bars, and much more, all from one central location. Since ConversionGorilla is 100% cloud-based, there's nothing for you to download or install, and your ConversionGorilla bars work with any kind of site. Look, you know you need to take control of your traffic, boost engagement, and absolutely maximize your conversions if you want your business to succeed. ConversionGorilla can help you do exactly that like nothing else out there today. And you can start taking advantage of this amazing new software starting right now. So, if you're ready to start skyrocketing your conversion rates, boosting engagement, and maximizing your profits, click the button below and we'll see you on the inside.